Hey everybody. Today I'm at the Central Piedmont Community College Levine campus in Matthews, North Carolina. And today they are having the 10th annual Geek Fest. So let's give you a tour. It's been 2 years since I got to come to the Geek Fest. And I have to say they have some neat stuff here. There's a huge crowd today. And over here is my professor, Mr. Leek. This is his setup. And here is a proto board with a microchip PIC 16F876A microcontroller running a stepper motor. I actually have one of these boards set up. I'll actually be doing a video of mine within the next couple of weeks. I'm currently in this class here, Introduction to Microprocessors. And here's the same kind of board controlling a motor via PWM. Here's the same microcontroller controlling an AC lamp. Here's a microcontroller being used to show the temperature.
For this, it's a pretty good demonstration of the process. What is this here?
And here is his robot.
Pyrolactic acid, and it's actually made from cornstarch. It's biodegradable.
And it's ran off of an EasyPick 6 control board.
will degrade in time. It takes about a year, they said, for something like this to degrade it. But I mean, one guy, one of the suppliers of it, his main problem was the rodents, rats and mice eating it, because it's made out of cornstarch. So, but it can also print ABS, which is of course what they make.
Last but not least, here is his 3D printer. He custom designed his himself.
That's right down here. That's what they call the hot end. Okay. And it's all it is a block of aluminum, hole drilled in it, and they put in a resistor, a high temperature resistor, and they screw it in place with a little set screw, and then they wire it up, and that's all they heat it up with. They also have a thermistor in there, which senses the temperature, feeds it back to the Arduino, and it keeps it regulated at a very good temperature.
So you got a current regulator?
It's pulse width modulated.
Pulse width modulated?
Yeah. Both of them, both the bed and that are pulse width. See, now it comes right off.
Hey, do this versus ABS run at a different temperature?
Oh yeah. That's why I'm printing with the PLA. PLA prints at 200 degrees centigrade, and ABS prints at 280 or 300, something like that, a lot higher temperature.
Okay.
And it's a little bit more. It's more difficult to print ABS. So for this little stuff, I'm just printing. It's a little cheaper too.
Okay.
To print the PLA. But all the parts of the printer are made with ABS. They need the higher temperature. It's a little more rigid. This is really brittle. If you notice, it doesn't bend much, and it will shatter very easily.
So the black is ABS?
No, the black is PLA also.
Oh, PLA also?
Both of them are, I've only been printed PLA.
Okay.
But you can get ABS.
Yeah.
Gecko.
Well, I noticed you got the different color this time. That's why I was saying I thought it was ABS because it's black.
I had to switch because I needed to print some black pieces.
Yeah.
That's why I went to the black.
So your robotic arm?
Good. You good?
Are you an instructor here?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
At the central campus.
Central campus?
Yeah, and I'm in the computer engineering, and I also teach some of the, I also teach devices, semiconductor devices and circuit theory that some guys are taking right now. This is one of my students here.
Good. The only thing is I'm a technician myself.
I'm teaching that.
I recognize you.
Teaching
The ATD?
microcontroller class. And these are
How you doing, man?
Good. Where are you working?
I'm currently in school right now. Yeah. I go to the central campus. Matter of fact, that's one of my instructors over there, Mr. Leak. He got some pretty interesting stuff. Yeah, I'm doing a video tour for my YouTube channel. Let's see. I'll see you around, man.
How you going?
Hmm?
Entrepreneurial program, and I did it.
I drive through there about every day.
Hello.
That's what I was going to say. I look good in a bow tie.
Yeah, you guys go ahead.
I've got
You're so loud to watch, right? Okay, Tonka!
There's the quadcopter.
However, also this is a high school robotics team that, for example, I help mentor. course, a lot of our members help mentor that team. Or college level, see, there's just telemetry units. This is all autonomous. So, different. Yeah. Go ahead.
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. So this is your quadcopter?
Yes, this is actually our advisor's quadcopter. He came to us, he asked us if we could put it on display.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, he gave us a broken controller, so
Oh no.
it can't fly right
so you
now.
can't fly it.
Not right now.
So he's coming with a controller for it? Is he coming with a controller for it so I can fly it?
It does. It's just the one we have right now.
Oh
for
yeah,
his.
yeah. No, I was asking, is he bringing it to you so he can fly it?
No.
No?
He doesn't have time today, but
Oh.
it is what it is. We just wanted to put it on display. Some
Yeah.
people don't know what quadcopters are, so we wanted to have something to talk about.
Okay. That's neat. Yeah, somebody captured a video of that thing flying, put on YouTube, I think last year or before.
Yes, there was a Hackerspace of Charlotte.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're here this
I
year.
think they're supposed to.
They're here. I currently haven't seen their table, but
Yeah.
they're probably here.
Okay. That's nice though.
Yeah. Thank you.
Take this home and put it on
Yeah, the back one
Maybe Sam Austin's going to be here too, for example.
Austin, really?
Well, that's what our Okay, thank you.
It's kind of useless to come like that.
How you doing? Good? Here to the other side.
Lead acid batteries like
Power instruments.
My son is really smart. The problem I have with him is he's so smart he doesn't know what he does. He's 17. This one's 11. It's my 17-year-old's hard because he's so like you're trying to teach him life lessons. He's like, yeah, whatever. You know, I got it on Wikipedia. No.
Now that guy's an old hard drive.
Novels is good.
20 megs. Look how big that thing is.
I don't want to interfere with your audio.
Yeah, thanks.
So this is pretty cool. This is also very old. This would spin, and it's got the whole alphabet on it. And then a hammer would punch down the letter that it wanted or the number. So I thought, well, wouldn't that be really inefficient? It's got to keep moving. But the thing is, it keeps repeating the alphabet, right? So if this was spinning fast, the whole alphabet is going by every half a second. So, right? So as long as the thing is synchronized to hit it at the right time, it's going to be able to print pretty quickly. Like, let's imagine 10 letters a second, right? So that's pretty cool. Because at first I thought, wouldn't that be really slow? And the guy's like, oh no, it was super fast. Because he worked with this. So, and this is just a tape. Like this comes off, and that tape would go reel to reel to do backups.
Those are not CDs or Laserdisc, guys. Those are platters for old hard drives. Look at the size of that monster.
Well, I also would like dates to be on any hardware. Like when I look at this, I wanted to say like 2003, and it doesn't. There's nowhere on here where you can have any idea when it was made, except maybe like look up part numbers. Because I don't know if this is old, like is this 2 years old or is this 15 years old?
I really like the feel of these buttons.
Yeah, I think so. I don't
Yeah. Look at this one. Or just the fact that this whole thing folds up so small.
That's cool. These are
Oh, wow.
These are like a button speed mechanical heat.
Right. Yeah, and some people are into them.
Mushy chick food. I'm not a fan of that.
Yeah, now how do you close this? There must be a lever.
This will work with any.
Oh, there it is. It's there.
So like Half-Life will work with it, Keyboard this tool will work with it.
Take care. I'm never coming. Yeah, that one, I don't know if anyone ever actually used that. I think I got that. Yeah, I don't know. This was from I forgot what the thing was called. It's like the Samsung smart device. But this was the best smart device ever.
Yeah, I got to debate. That's my first time here.
What's that? I do, because there's a to-do list on there they haven't replicated in my phone. It's frustrating. So I would give money to have that to-do list on this phone.
No, I'm good. I'm shooting video actually. That's really cool though.
You want to drive it?
Yeah, excuse me.
You just have to enroll so they know how many kids, but it's free. Then if he has friends, you know, too, it'd be a fun thing to do on Saturday morning. But yeah, it's like the kids love it, and our group volunteers there, so it's really amazing. Are you? Okay.
Yeah, but you?
They have the largest brain size compared to any other stingray.
How you doing?
Would anybody like to sample some Japanese cheese?
Alan!
For me. Where are you?
It's like a hackerspace kind of thing. Yeah.
This one also has a really cool soundtrack. The question is how do you get those patterns, because there's multiple cross wires and use what's called multiplexing. So it's actually, many of them are turned on, but they're doing so fast your eyes can't see it. So it's some weird cross-referencing that it does, so the one that you're seeing is on long enough that I see it. And that way they don't need as many wires to connect them all, because they're all individually addressable. Like a vertical or horizontal, like an XYZ connector. But somehow it does, like, one wire will carry multiple signals, and it's only when it crosses the other wire that that one might. I don't fully understand it, but that one's pretty trippy. And they made them bigger. They made them like 200 by 200 by 200, which is like 32,000 LEDs.
Be good for a Christmas display.
Well, and then you color them. So there's some that's actually, it's like a globe, and so you're seeing like a 3D video feed.
You got like spinning thing.
Some of them are really sick.
The expensive and the lab jack here records how the batteries are doing. Then into the Raspberry Pi. Yeah, it's a small computer for $35. And it sends it up to the internet and we can help monitor. That's the
people be able to effectively trade. They taught them how to do math so that they could sell.
No, he said he would. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he was good. I forgot. Okay. Sorry. What'd you do? No, tickling my arm and then I pulled it out and I
This particular one.
See you later.
He got it in. He tried. He was trying to get it in 0.
Oh.
And he blew it.
You got it in something.
He tried. I've got to. It's got some problems. So I've got to fix the bugs into it. And so I'm going to home it now. And I've got all sensors on all of them, so that it goes toot toot toot, and you have to start from a known spot, because as you know, it's all open loop. When you leave that, I have to remember all the stepper motors and everything, and that's what all these numbers are here. It's all the locations of every single motor onto it, but it is a very a good challenge is for the is with this. And this is what I have a lot of for the kids.
They're 6 to 10 because they all work.
Their computer has fucking no power.
This thing is
Because we tune it. I think it's been sitting on it's been sitting up there in science lab too long. Right? You guys need to recalibrate it. Get it back on track.
Anyway, this concludes my tour. Hope you enjoyed it.